Welcome to Cass Regional Medical Center. Since 1963, our hospital's mission has been to serve all of Cass County, and over time, we have grown to serve the surrounding region as well. And because of our ongoing commitment to this region, we are proud to open this beautiful 138,000 square foot medical facility located in Harrisonville, Missouri, just 30 miles south of Kansas City. You will find that the moment you enter this state-of-the-art medical center, you will be warmly welcomed by our volunteers and staff. Just a few feet from the main entrance, the caring staff may lead you to one of our private admitting offices, where your questions can be answered before being escorted to your destination within the hospital. As you make your way through the facility, you will come upon the light-filled rotunda, which is the main architectural feature of the building. From here, you may take the grand staircase to the second floor, or continue down one of two main floor corridors. The rotunda serves as a helpful landmark in finding your way to your destination. Just off the grand corridor, you will find our specialists clinic, where physicians in over 15 different specialty areas hold regular office hours. The specialists clinic features 12 rooms, including 2 wound care rooms, 1 minor procedure room, and a 3-bay infusion center. The infusion center is an exclusive location where patients receive fluids and medications, including chemotherapy, which is administered by specially trained nurses. Further down the grand corridor, you will find our laboratory. In this area, you will find our pathologist and highly trained medical technologists perform various diagnostic tests that help doctors quickly and accurately diagnose a patient's condition. The lab is also home to Cass Regional's Blood Bank, where blood products are maintained under strict environmental conditions. One of the features of the Cass Regional Medical Center is a house-wide pneumatic tube system. This system allows for rapid transport of medications, lab specimens, and important documentation to other areas of the hospital, ensuring the timeliest care possible. Around the corner from the grand corridor is the emergency department. Emergency patients arriving by private car can drive right up to the covered entrance. Once inside, patients are greeted by a triage nurse who performs an initial review of a patient's condition and guides them through the first part of their visit. The treatment area of the emergency department has 9 private exam rooms, 1 large cardiac treatment room that can accommodate 2 patients, and specialized rooms used for the treatment of obstetric, trauma, orthopedic, and pediatric cases. The emergency department also features 2 comfortable waiting areas, one of which is designed especially for children with unique activity tables that entertain and engage the mind. Patients arriving by ambulance are received at a separate, weather-protected entrance, where emergency staff can safely transfer patients. When a patient's condition requires emergency transport to another healthcare facility for specialized care, Cass Regional's helipad quickly allows air ambulances to access the emergency department. The helipad is heated to prevent snow or ice from accumulating on the surface, so that air ambulances may land in otherwise inclement conditions. Advanced monitoring equipment throughout the ER allows doctors and nurses to carefully track each patient's vitals and allows doctors to review digitally captured X-rays and CT scans. The medical imaging department is strategically located near the ER, where technologists use the latest in diagnostic imaging equipment to quickly help our doctors diagnose and treat patients. Nearly as important as sophisticated scanning equipment used in the medical imaging department is the everyday use of PACS. PACS stands for Picture Archiving and Communications System. This advanced communication system digitizes and transfers all images to the doctor who has ordered them. Nearby is the nuclear medicine room, where specially trained technologists utilize a gamma-ray camera to capture detailed images of body anatomy and function. Patients who are scheduled for an MRI or magnetic resonance imaging exam can now access the MRI machine via an enclosed walkway. A key advantage of the mobile MRI equipment is the ability to upgrade technology quickly. With the dual-door access from the enclosed walkway, Cass Regional will be able to bring on additional mobile imaging technology. Another key feature of the medical imaging department is the Women's Center, a specially designed subunit that encompasses mammography, ultrasound, and stereotactic biopsy in one convenient location. If a patient has a mammogram that shows a questionable area of tissue, then she can continue on to receive the next level of diagnostic testing, which is the ultrasound. If the results of the ultrasound exam indicate that a biopsy is necessary, that procedure can also be completed in the Women's Center. The entire process, from mammogram to stereotactic biopsy, can usually be done within 1 week, which reduces the stress and worry caused by waiting for a diagnosis. Down the hall from medical imaging is our surgery department, which encompasses both surgery and perioperative services. General and specialty surgeries are performed in these 3 spacious operating rooms, which have been designed to accommodate any surgery done today. Perioperative services, including endoscopies and pain management procedures, are offered in the department's 2 endoscopy suites and 2 minor procedure rooms. Conveniently located on the first floor near the main entrance are rehabilitation services and the diabetes education department. Cardiac, pulmonary, physical, and occupational therapies are offered in the main therapy room, which features a variety of exercise and therapy equipment and beautiful views of the healing garden. Physical and occupational therapy, as well as speech therapy, is also offered in private treatment rooms within the unit. Water-based therapy is offered in our SwimX therapy pool, which is just one of 3 such pools located around the Kansas City region. Throughout all patient care areas at Cass Regional, special attention has been given to making the design and layout as comfortable and welcoming as possible. Patients who require overnight hospitalization in our medical surgical unit can recover in one of our spacious, all-private rooms located on the 2nd floor of the medical center. Each room features large windows, as well as an area designated especially for visitors, furnished with sleeper recliners. Patient rooms also have private bath and shower facilities. Our intensive care unit features large, private rooms with views of the healing garden. The ICU provides high-level care to a wide variety of patients, including those patients requiring intensive post-surgical care. The unit uses specially designed beds to decrease the incidence of pneumonia and skin problems. Located in a quiet area on the 2nd floor is a new 2-room sleep lab, which has been designed to mimic a home sleeping environment to help achieve accurate sleep studies. Each room has a queen-size bed and a private full bathroom. The concept of bringing the outdoors inside has been key in shaping the overall design of Cass Regional Medical Center. This has been accomplished through the development of 2 beautiful gardens, which are located on opposite sides of the building's rotunda. On the northeast is the Memorial Garden, which features bricks and benches engraved in memory of or in honor of loved ones, and a gazebo encircled by a walking path. On the southwest is the new Healing Garden. Its features include a reflecting pond and fountain, plus a winding path lined with teak benches that provides patients, visitors, and staff a place for physical and spiritual renewal. The outdoors inside concept is echoed in the comfortable waiting areas on both levels of the rotunda, which provide visitors with ample room to relax. Visitors and staff can also take a break for a meal or a snack in the dining room, which features views of the Memorial Garden and an outdoor dining terrace. Although we are proud of our new medical center, we have not forgotten our roots in the region. In recognition of our heritage, we have decorated our new medical center with photographs of regional scenery and locations, which serve as a beautiful reminder of the area we are privileged to call home. We hope you have enjoyed your tour of the new Cass Regional Medical Center. For more information, feel free to call, stop by, or visit us on the web. Thank you for watching.